Okay, today we have a '05 Chevy Silverado with a 5.3 liter. We're gonna be replacing the radiator on it. Um, so first things first, you want to get that trim piece out the way. And then you want to remove the engine cover and the air intake hose, which are 8 mm. Remove this hose coming from the coolant reservoir. Now remove this upper radiator hose and get it out the way. Remove these 13 mm bolts for the radiator and the fan assembly. The fan assembly just slides up and out. Just watch out for wires or hoses. Remove these E-clips on the transmission oil cooler lines. Now remove the lower radiator hose. Now that the radiator is drained out, you just want to lean it forward a little bit and it should slide right up. You always want to inspect the new radiator, make sure it has all the right fittings and the hose locations. Make sure the drain plug is closed. Slide it right back in like so. Make sure to avoid any damage to the radiator. remove this little cap. Always make sure that transmission oil cooler lines are cleaned and greased up, and make sure the E-clips are there. Snap the lines back in like so. Make sure to give a little tug. Make sure the clamps are tight. When sliding back in the fan, make sure the tabs slide into the little brackets there on the radiator. Just double checking my work. Now just top off the coolant and pressurize up to spec. So I did run into another issue there with the heater hose assembly. It's plastic, doesn't go well with hot coolant. But after getting that replaced, I pressurized up to spec again and it held. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Please give a like and subscribe. I hope it was better than the last video. There is still more videos I need to edit, so stay tuned.